Alright, night ride with this bike. This will just be a short ride. This is a Dominar 400 V2. Agas lang muna tayong 20. Nagbiblink na kasi yung fuel. Sabi, refuel, you know, isang bar na lang. Let's go. Sana lang may maayos tayong footage kahit gabi. And we're going to Sumulong Highway using this Dominar 400. Keep us safe, oh Lord, as well as the other riders out here. Alright, dito tayo ngayon sa may tapat ng Robinson's Place, Antipolo. And well, technically susunduin lang natin si Mylabs. We're gonna surprise her that we are riding this Dominar 400. So hindi pa tayo magiging official vlog natin para dito kay Dominar. Meron pa tayong gagawing content using this bike. Bilis sumibat, grabe. Alright, watch out. Woo! Grabe. Ang sarap ng engine braking. Ay, sorry. Hindi muna pala ako mag-share ng info. But anyway, matagal naman na itong motor na to. For sure nakapanood na kayo ng mga vlog regarding the Dominar 400. Since we had this opportunity, gagawin pa rin natin vlog. Hindi ko pa magamay yung throttle. And ewan ko lang kung naririnig sa camera. Pagpasensyahan nyo na itong tumutunog dito sa may rear view mirror. Ito nakadikit na bilog na yan. May ingay eh. Alright, easy overtake. Ang ganda ng engine braking talaga. Almost there. Sarap. We're here at Centro Mall. Let's go. Here comes Mylabs. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, ang bigat. Alright, pabalik na tayo ng Upper Antipolo. Yun lang yung ride natin ngayon. Thank you Lord for the safety. We're going back home. Keep us safe, oh Lord, as well as the other riders out here. Lakas ng ano niya, high beam ah. How was it? Ha? Siyempre. It's fast daw. Try natin mag-chill ride dito sa 4th gear. Oh, yung lamig. Malamig na dito. Galing mo, kahit 4th gear humahatak pa din ah. Nice.